In this lesson, we will talk about the empirical rule, which is also known by the 68, 95, 99.7% rule. The empirical rule is for normal distributions. One of the nice properties of the normal distribution is that if we go out 1, 2, or 3 standard deviations from the mean in both directions, we can determine approximately what percentage of observations will fall within that region. Consider the first graph. Here we have a normal random variable with mean mu and standard deviation sigma. The empirical rule tells us that if we go out 1 standard deviation in each direction from the mean, we will have approximately 68% of all observations for that distribution. In our second graph, we also have a normal mu sigma distribution. And the empirical rule tells us here, if we go up 2 standard deviations above the mean and down 2 standard deviations from the mean, this region will have approximately 95% of all observations for that distribution. Now, if we go out 3 standard deviations from the mean in both directions, we will have approximately 99.7% of all observations. So there is very few observations beyond 3 standard deviations from the mean. Again, the empirical rule, called the 68, 95, 99.7% rule, tells us that within 1 standard deviation of the mean, 68% of the observations fall. Within 2 standard deviations of the mean, 95% of all observations fall. And within 3 standard deviations of the mean, virtually all observations will fall.